I'm not very used to playing handicap games. I've played very few. I figured I'd start a series where I play handicap games and I'll learn along with you on how to play them. I really have no idea. So here I was just trying to prevent a Moyo over here. And now it looks like he has a bunch of stones over here, so I kind of want to prevent that as well. He's building here. So I can't really reduce this in one move. So I think I just will approach here, trying to reduce this side as well. Any pincers? I'm not sure how good a 3-3 is in a handicap game, because this gets cut off and I kind of am forced to live, I think. But I also want points somehow. I'm not really sure exactly how to get them. I think I'll play over here first, see what he does. And if he doesn't do anything, he just backs off. I was gonna 3-3. Interesting. So he plays very safe here. I feel like I need territory, so I'll 3-3. Oof, uber safe. I don't want to let him surround this stone because then he makes a lot of points in the center and this can get very big. So I'll just jump out here instead of connecting. And if he does block, I can still take points. I'm not sure why the attach here. Letting me get this tiger's mouth feels like it helps give me some good shape here. And I can do something in the corner. I do have a cut I have to worry about. So I might just leave that for now, and I think I'll shoulder hit. He could get some points here, but as long as I can get some points somewhere else, that doesn't feel too big. And if he does moves like that, then I can go here, and then now I can play a move like this, which looks very dangerous for his corner if he allows me to play over here. Yeah, I think I have to play here. He could push here, and I could get into some trouble because he can cut me off. But I think as long as I can live here, and if he doesn't play here, his corner can get into trouble. So he probably has to Hane under, and I can at least play something like this. And I should be able to run out somewhere. But I think I need to add one more stone here to make sure I'm alive. Yeah, and then I feel like he has to Hane under here. Oh, he blocks. So I feel I'm too far behind here to just simply live. So I think I need to do something over here. So I think I'll run out this group now. And here. And I just have to hope I can live there. Okay, so he attaches. That's pretty severe. So if I just send here, he cuts, I Atari play here. I have an eye here and I capture. I feel like that's okay for me. And even if he does cut off, if I can just get Sente to connect my groups together, even if he kills a few stones, as long as the main group gets out, it should be okay. But yeah, all of this just feels very like foreign to me. Like it feels so odd playing handicap games. I never really got into it and never really did it too often. I never played with handicap either, really. When I started, I just jumped straight to a 19 by 19 and I just played even games. But I know with black, I think the main thing that I've seen or heard before is that you just have to keep your groups solid and take points, and then normally you can win if you avoid fights. And with white, I've heard that you have to make the game more complicated so that they can't just play simple and win that way. Okay, that's a pretty good move. So I guess he's trying to squeeze here. So if I go here, I'm not quite alive. So I think I just connect on the outside here, and if he captures, I'm not quite alive. But this feels too small at the moment, but actually it's not that small. If I can play a move here, his corner's not quite alive, so this should be Sente, and he has to connect under. But it feels terrible not having points. Don't know if I have enough liberties to get away with this one. If I play here, he can play here. Connect, I connect. He can like push. There's some Aji there. So I think I'll just defend my cuts. And again, if he doesn't play here, probably have to Tanuki and try and make some points somewhere else, or reduce this at the very least. Okay, so now I feel like I should have enough liberties to try and do something with this corner. And if he cuts this stone off, but I kill the corner, it feels like that should be okay. I just have to come back and reduce this side. And locally, this is dead already. Yeah, even if he adds another move there, so let's say he plays a move here, I can just throw in here. If he blocks, I go here, so he has to go here, so I Hane, and it's already just dead. My main thing is this group is not alive yet either, so I should probably... I think I'll Atari here and connect so I can run out and reduce this side. But locally, I believe this is just already dead. And he can't use forcing moves to connect under because of my shape here. So yeah, I just throw in here. And if I Hane, he goes here, I throw in, he captures, I can block. So yep, he should just be dead there. So yeah, after I connected here, I think he really needed to Hane here to connect his groups. Yep, I just need to make sure he doesn't connect under. And he goes there. Capturing feels big, but not sure. Because it feels small to connect here, but if he captures, I have to connect. I don't really know if I have enough liberties. I should have enough liberties. Not sure. I'll just connect. Because I really don't want to let him get too strong in this area. But for now, for sure, gonna Tanuki. I'm gonna play... He played this weird shape here, so I think I can even get away with this move. And if he tries to pincer, I should be able to just connect. I can also just play a move like this, threatening to reduce. And then Tanuki to something over here where there's still a cutting point. So yeah, I think I'll try that one. And I do have some points now, and I have this corner at least. So connecting here might actually be really big. Because if he plays here and I play Joseki, this guy... Oh, he resigned. Okay. I wish he would have kept playing. Ended a little too soon there. But, okay, I'll just make this a short video for the day. You guys can let me know what you think of this, if you want to keep seeing more. And, yeah, I'd like to thank my Patreons. You guys very supportive. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you all later.